Hello, learners. Today we will read a fun and easy story called The Monkey and the Crocodile. It is a simple story with easy English words for beginners. You will learn new words and enjoy a lovely animal story. Let's begin our adventure.
Story 6: The Monkey and the Crocodile. Level 1. Once there was a monkey. He lived on a big tree near a river. The monkey was happy. He ate sweet fruits every day. One day, a crocodile came to the river. The monkey saw the crocodile and said, "Hello, Mr. Crocodile. How are you?" The crocodile smiled and said, "I am fine, thank you. You have many fruits? Can I have some?" The kind monkey gave the crocodile some fruits. The crocodile was happy. They became good friends. Every day, the monkey gave fruits to the crocodile. The crocodile liked the monkey a lot. After some days, the crocodile said, "Dear monkey, I want to take you to my home. My wife wants to meet you." The monkey was happy. He jumped on the crocodile's back. The crocodile started to swim in the river. But in the middle of the river, the crocodile said, "Dear monkey, my wife wants to eat your heart." The monkey was very clever. He said, "Oh, dear crocodile, why didn't you tell me before? My heart is in the tree. I left it there." The crocodile was surprised. The monkey quickly jumped back to the tree. The monkey laughed and said, "You are not my real friend." Then he ate more fruits happily. The crocodile felt sad and went away.
Now let's learn the key vocabulary from the story, along with two simple example sentences for each word.
1. River, a long, natural stream of water. Example 1. I saw a big river near my house. Example 2. The river has clean water. 2. Monkey, an animal that climbs trees and eats fruits. Example 1. I saw a monkey in the zoo. Example 2. The monkey is eating a banana. 3. Crocodile, a large, dangerous animal that lives in water. Example 1. The crocodile lives in the river. Example 2. The crocodile has sharp teeth. 4. Smile, to show happiness by moving your mouth. Example 1. I smile when I am happy. Example 2. She always smiles at me.
I hope you enjoyed the story. You learned new words and a nice lesson today. Stories make us smart and happy. Keep reading and keep learning every day. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more fun stories.